Hey guys, EOTech Gaming here, and yes, I am back. Haven't really recorded a gaming video in a while, but today I am here in Treasure Hunt Simulator. I've played it a little bit. As you can see, I have 404 coins. I haven't really done much. I think I upgraded my bag once and got the toy shovel. Yes, I am here with Boss Guy 25GGG.
And
that's Roblox Kid. And today we are just going to play some Treasure Hunt Simulator.
Everyone else
I am very bad at this game. I have just a toy shovel. Yay.
Everyone else make their own holes. Hey, get out of my hole, Caleb.
Okay. They are both recording also, so then we will go check out their videos.
Oof. I'm going down so far. I'm already at...
So then we will play this for a while.
I'm already at...
Just so that little 85 goes away. This game's chat is insane.
Oof.
I'm only a 4-block step.
You're only at 4 blocks.
And so...
I'm at
How much is it for the next shovel?
I don't know.
Wait.
I could probably buy it.
I could buy 2,000 coins.
Oof.
Should I?
No, don't buy 2,000 coins. That's a waste. You can get that with ease.
That's true. The quick dig says dig in only half a second.
Yeah, I know. You just get it faster.
Oh, okay, shovels. I need a better shovel.
I really want the elite pack, but I don't want to waste all of my Robux.
I can almost get the small shovel. I'm going to see about backpacks then.
Backpack.
I need to restart my recording.
Okay, you can do that. I can get the medium bag. I think I'm going to do that. It's always good to get a better bag before you get the next shovel, so then you can hold more.
I'm already going really far down.
I'm coming.
No, don't come in mine.
I fell.
No.
Oh, hi.
Get out of mine.
I shouldn't be here, should I?
You guys heard Cat Gaming here. Young Cat Gaming started video at first.
Yes, you can call me by my real name.
So
I'm fine with it. Can you stop digging at a treasure chest so then I can go to the side and get it?
No, just go in your own hole.
My recording.
I fell. And now I'm just here.
No, just do it to surface.
Let me just...
Treasure Hunt Simulator.
We can see.
Just go I'm just
gonna go back to the surface.
Yes, go back to the surface. You'll never make it, because I'm just going so far.
I need the better shovel so bad.
If you guys haven't heard of this game, then there's probably something actually wrong with you, because this game has been blowing up on Roblox.
A lot. It's literally been blowing up Roblox also.
Make sure you guys like the video, then leave a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel, which probably are.
Please stop.
Please
stop.
Hit the notification bell.
No, you aren't a very popular YouTuber. You're not.
Say that though.
He can dream.
Yeah, that's true.
He can dream.
Never forget he can dream. I think my hands are glitched. Are your hands always like you're holding a shovel when you're not? Caleb, come here, look. Where are you?
Your hands are glitched.
I had this friend on Roblox who sent me a friend request, and he's, because we were playing Assassin, he's like, oh, I play Treasure Hunt Simulator. I was like, cool, I have the golden spoon. And he's like, cool, oh, hey, do you want to play Treasure Hunt Simulator? I was like, okay. He used me for my private island.
Oh, wow.
So I got rid of his friend request.
Guys, if you want to play Treasure Hunt Simulator, I will leave a link to the game in the description.
And
you don't even know how to do that.
Yes,
no.
Maybe you don't, Jet, but he does.
I do.
Okay.
I
think we all had to go sell. I'm falling really far down. I jumped by accident. Caleb, don't dig. I have to get to this treasure chest so I can make my own hole. There we go. Oh, I shouldn't be here. The sand is 500.
What's your
I'm going back.
depth? What's your guys' depth? Because mine is almost 600 already. Sadly, I don't have the infinite.
Mine's only like 175.
That's still pretty deep. My depth is 14.
Let's see how much it costs to upgrade something. Oh, 500,000 to get my next shovel.
500,000. I'm just sitting over here with 476 coins.
Okay.
Mine is 100 million.
350,000 for my next backpack.
Okay, so
My next backpack is 3 million.
really, what backpack do you have? I think you have the magical fanny pack, right? I saw that.
Yeah, boy. I'm gonna save up
Yeah,
for the new.
boy. Okay, let's just dig.
I'm in
and
a
see what we
red.
find.
I'm in the red area. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. One time I went down to the what's it called? It's like an earthen place. They added it. It's like you have to get down to 1,000 to get to it.
Really?
It's really hard to get to.
I believe you. It sounds even harder for me.
Yeah,
I'm at depth. My depth right now is 8. And so,
My depth right now
let's
is
see what the next shovel is at.
my next my depth was
Okay, next one is 2,100.
oof.
Then after that, large shovel. Then big scooper. Then the rake. And then the vacuum. Then the dynamite. And then the giant shovel. And then the metal detector.
When I had the dynamite, I thought I was really good.
The jackhammer. Golden spoon. Here's the one you have, Jet.
No, I don't.
100 million.
I don't have it.
Was pretty good.
Oh, you said you put up a video called Getting the Golden Spoon.
Yeah, I know. I got that, but now I have the drill.
Oh, the drill is better.
Yeah. It's better than the so it's golden spoon, dual scoops, and drill.
Nuke. Golden nuke. That's 300 million.
What happened to Caleb?
And the black hole.
Oh, he's still here. I thought I heard the sound on Skype.
I need to get the medium shovel.
And as you guys could probably tell, I have played this before quite a bit because, well, I'm already pretty advanced.
What shovel do you have?
I have the giant shovel.
Oh, the big shovel? Is that what it's called?
I have the drill.
Literally giant shovel.
I'm the most experienced.
There's the big shovel, but I have the giant shovel.
Actually, no. I thought Dylan had the golden nuke.
Getting the golden nuke is what everyone wants to do.
Yeah.
It's 300 million.
You would have to have to make it go so fast. You would have to have the infinite thing.
And so.
I feel bad for you, Dylan, because you're still on the first top layer.
I know.
Yeah, I'm
gonna see when's the next backpack.
I'm on the red layer.
I'm getting the large bag.
I'm close to the mythical
Get
layer.
the large bag.
Large bag.
I need it.
Cool. I have the magical fanny pack. I remember. I'm a dog.
So am I. We're both dogs.
Cool, but
We are the doggos.
But you are a muscular dog.
I am superhero dog. We both have superhero animation pack, but I am superhero. I have superhero package.
Watch WoW, so cool.
I saw this.
Remember how, Caleb? Do you remember how long it took for you to get the Doge head, and now you don't even use it? You waited like a month to get the Doge head, and then you're like, oh, Doge head.
I saw this video where this kid spent $1,000 of his brother's money on fidget spinners.
When the actual software recorded, I have to start it again.
I also saw this other video.
When I upload this, I should call that Roblox kid Zardonaut Gaming or that Roblox kids recording bloopers fails. That's what I should call this video.
I also I also saw this video where this guy, is the same YouTuber. I think his name was King Kenny or something. Really cool YouTuber. And
yeah, I've seen a video. It was his brother spent I think $1,000 on Robux.
Yeah, he spent $1,000 on Robux, and he's like, I have to get a new Dominus. I think his brother's name was like
Guys, I'm starting.
Okay.
Okay,
I think-
again,
I
for the
think
third
his-
time.
I
Hey
think
guys, Darknet Gaming here.
This is your third attempt at this.
Later, this is my third attempt at a recording because I accidentally stopped the one I was just recording.
Yeah, fine. Like,
I
3
think
times.
I think his brother's name was like Wisdom or something.
Guys, haven't heard of Snow Shoveling Simulator?
No shoveling simulator.
Show snuffling.
Treasure Hunt Simulator.
Show
Not
shoveling.
snow shoveling simulator. That's also a kind of good game. I really, we haven't played it in forever. I think we might do a video on that after this, but
Oof.
If
It actually doesn't really work for me. It's like on that screen where it's like the background of the actual game itself, like the sky.
yeah, that sometimes happened to me in Assassin before.
Yeah,
I can
but
just refuse to load, and it would just show
I'm
the
re-
sky.
oh yeah, I'm really good at Assassin. I remember
yes,
Dylan
we
was
know
the
this.
best. When we first started, Dylan was like Prestige 3, Caleb was Prestige 1, level 1, I was Prestige 1, level 1. And after like we
Now
played
you're
it,
what, Prestige 16?
I got hooked on the game, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this game now. So I played it almost every
Yeah.
day, and I have Corrupted Axe now, so that's pretty cool. And I
Didn't you trade your Frostbite?
yeah, but Frostbite isn't very good at all.
Your Corrupted Axe is better.
Yeah, but I'm now Prestige 18. What are you? Aren't you
The last
Prestige?
time we played Assassin, you were Prestige 14.
No,
I can finally get the next backpack.
I got it
I'm
no dominance.
7 now. Let's... Jet, you are the second highest in the server.
I know.
Your sand is going up so fast. You literally get like 1,000 a second. You're at 100,000 sand.
I know. That's all. That's the. That's all I can carry.
You guys are.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah.
It's 100,000, and you're like, oh, that's all I can care.
Yeah, but soon I'm gonna get a better one.
If you guys aren't enjoying this, want more Roblox, then subscribe and hit the
Sub to
Look
Young
at my
Town.
coins. Look at my coins.
Wow, that's so many. I just
Demonic coins.
got a chest, and I got more than your money.
No, look at the 100 tens and ones.
Wait,
subscribe and hit the notification.
Do you see it?
666.
I
Oh!
have 666 coins.
And make sure you like the video if you want more treasure hunting simulator.
Why do I have this? Why?
Wait, I
Why
found
do I have 666 coins?
Oh, that's happened to me before. I had 6. No,
Oh, I
had
found it.
6.
Wait, Dylan, come down my hole. Dylan, come down my hole.
Okay, which hole are you in? Which two?
The biggest one.
Okay. I'm going so fast. You're in purple.
Take this.
Okay.
I am at like 2.
Okay, at least I'm not demonic anymore. Goodbye.
Wow.
Thank you.
Oof, I just found another chest though.
That got me 3,000 coins.
I know.
Okay, shovels.
You're welcome.
Let's see.
You're welcome. Oh,
Thank you. Okay, medium
Wait,
shovel.
wait.
What's the next one? 88.
wait,
Okay.
Caleb, what shovel do you have?
There should be, like, the best shovel in the game.
Oh my gosh! Caleb's a doge now.
Yes, he is a doge. He is his true self.
My
I
true
can't-
form.
Guys, if I even think about switching from this book up to my house and hit me in the head.
Okay. Switch from it, I dare you. Oh, oops.
Oh,
I went to go land on my hole and I hit Caleb in the head. Hi.
that is all for this time, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.